Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to use the AI artifact on TikTok. First, tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to create a new video. Then choose the effects option from the left side bottom of the screen. Look for the AI portrait or AI painter effect by typing the name in the search bar or by scrolling through the effects list. Once you choose or found the AI effect, tap on it to apply it to your video. Record your video or upload a photo while the AI artifact is active. Then wait for it to complete. Then that's it. That's how you use AI artifact on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.